So I wanted to continue on the video because I didn't have enough time at the end of the last one to kind of explain how to figure out where your signs go. Um, so we got the answers of 12 and 28, so it had to be between them. So what you want to do is pick a number smaller than 12. So I picked 10. A number that's between the two numbers. So between 12 and 28, I would pick 20. And then one that's larger than 28, so I would pick 30. And then you want to plug them in your equation. So negative 25x squared plus 1,000x minus 3,000. And since they want to make a profit of at least 5,000, they want this number to be larger than 5,000 or equal to 5,000. So when I plug 10 in for the x's here, I am going to get a 4,500. And then when I plug 20 in, I'm going to get 7,000. And when I plug 30 in, I'm going to get 4,500. So that is how we know that the answers are going to be in between 12 and 8. It's not going to be less than 12. It's going to be more than 12 because 10 didn't work, but 20 does. And then it is going to be more than 20, but less than 30. So that's how we know it's got to be less than 28 because 30 doesn't work. So we can't go over 28. So that helps us to figure out where our answers are. So you're going to have to do that with some questions is just do 3 test numbers to figure out which way the sign goes for which number. So do we want less than 12 or more than 12, and then less than 28 or more than 28?